Hey, what is up? Yes, so I wanted to talk about a few things today to do with gaming. And firstly, I wanted to start off with Monkeyball. So if any of you were lucky enough to get into the IDO on Star Launch, you would have seen when Monkeyball launched. It recently launched on FTX, and we were able to buy it at 0.04 cents at IDO price, and it launched and did like 100x. It went as high as $4, which is 100x. So congratulations if you were able to cash out there. I didn't sell mine. I'm still holding them because I am believing in this game for the long term. So, and I'll just add, don't ever be the one that gets in on an exchange when it's pumping and all the IDO holders are selling off, because that is the worst time to buy, because I did that as an experiment once, and yeah, it is just pumping, and then there's huge FOMO, and then retail buyers are trying to buy, while all the IDOs, owners, sellers, they're all selling rather. So this is what ends up happening. It pumps and then it drops. Usually this is what I've seen with newly released tokens. So unfortunately, some people might have got wrecked buying at the top. But I do think the long-term potential of Monkeyball is huge, and that's why I haven't sold my tokens. I'm holding. And the reason why is because they haven't done their NFT drop yet. And I'm thinking when the game launches, it would be good to keep like having the MBS tokens and an NFT. So I will be buying a couple of NFTs when they are released. And I found out that we have to keep track on this website, on their website, to see when that sale is going to happen, as I've been in their Telegram group and they haven't said the date yet. So just keep your eyes peeled on this website to know when they're going to be selling. So the floor price is 2 Sol. So that's still pretty cheap considering what I paid for my Geno pet. So yeah, that's awesome. And the reason why I believe in only buying in-game NFTs is because people are going to use them. People are going to need them to play the game. So I could always rent them out if I'm not playing the game myself. It's an asset that I can rent out. Just like, a house that you can rent out to people. An NFT is an asset you can rent out as well. So it's a really cool way of making passive income when the gameplay is out. So yeah, I'm excited for all the gameplays to be released so that I can start playing and earning and renting and all of that comes with it. Very, very exciting. So anyhow, I will just do a quick Sol chart analysis, because I just wanted to show you that I just bought some Sol today because it is about to pump big time. It's turning around. And the reason for this is I look at the weekly chart, and when I see that it's like done a retrace into the Fibonacci golden pocket, which is between 61.8 and 50, this is called the golden pocket, and it's done a beautiful retracement into this, and it is turning around. So that is a huge bullish indicator. That, and it's respecting the trend line. It's also respecting the 20 EMA as support. And also, if you noticed here, I've drawn a huge wedge-shaped triangle on the RSI, which on the weekly is also a very bullish sign. So I have bought some Sol today. It's turning around. I do believe we're going to go skyrocket from this point. But yes, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And yeah, anyhow, that's Sol. Very exciting. which leads me to my next game that I wanted to talk about, also a Solana game called Star Atlas, which I've already spoken about previously before, but I just wanted to show you how they're progressing, because I noticed that I got airdropped some really cool stuff. So because I bought their NFTs, like I bought a couple of spaceships a while ago, being a spaceship owner means that I qualified for a free airdrop. So they dropped me food, fuel, and ammunition. Okay, so I've now got that, which was for free, which I'm guessing is going to cost money later anyway. And now I may as well enlist my 2 spaceships that I have that now have fuel, food, repair, ammo. And the way this works is if you buy any of their spaceships, you can enlist them and earn a passive income. So I've already done a previous video on how to buy a ship, so just search through my previous videos for that. And so what I'll do is I'll show you in this video how to enlist your fleet. So I'm going to enlist my Pierce X5. Let's see what happens. See, estimated rewards are I'm earning Atlas every single day. So how cool is that? Really cool. So I'm excited because now I can start earning money on my NFT. Here we go. Approve. Forming fleet. How exciting. And I'm in the Oni faction, by the way. So if you want to join me, that is... Alright. Oh my goodness. It's starting to earn already. How cool is that? Wow. That's awesome. Alright. I'm going to enlist both of them. Or did it just enlist one of them? Can I only enlist one? Manage fleet. Let's have a look. Wow, that is awesome. I'm starting to earn already. Yeah, so there you go. Like, that just shows you these NFTs are assets that you can earn a passive income on. It's amazing. And it's just, yeah, the future. The future of gaming is owning NFTs and owning everything inside a game. Amazing. Cool. Anyhow, so I wanted to talk about those 2. I'm just going to enlist my second ship. So I found out that I can't enlist any more ships. So looks like I might need to buy some additional ships. So why don't I just show you quickly how to do that? You just go to the marketplace and you look at which ships you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy this one. That's just come up. You basically you have to have the money in your Solana wallet. So I use a Phantom wallet, which is this one. So to go to buy it, you can either buy it in Atlas or USDC. So how much is this one? 930 USDC. So obviously I would rather pay the cheapest price possible. And let's see if we can go about this. Buy now. Okay, I don't have enough USDC at the moment because I actually just spent it on something else. So why don't I find something a bit cheaper? Hang on, I'll just pause. So I just swapped some coin for USDC because I think that if I can buy this ship for 450, I am onto a winner. So let's just see if it will let me buy it for 450 USDC. Oh, it looks like you can. So let's see if this goes through. Oh, it worked. Okay guys, I'm glad I recorded this because look, when you go to buy a ship, you don't automatically have to hit the first price at the top. You can scroll all the way down the bottom. So, I don't know if you can see here. There you go. I got it at the cheapest price at 450 USDC, which I now own. Fantastic. So that's how you go about buying spaceships. So I'm going to add that to my faction fleet. I'll just pause again. Anyhow, I'll just keep this video to these two games and just mention, you know, like I'm thinking in the long term when I'm buying my NFTs, like not just something that's hot right now, because you never know if you're going to be able to sell it in a few years. So to me, it makes sense to get one that is an in-game asset, you know, for A-grade games and stuff, so that you can use them to play and rent them out in the future. So to me, that makes a lot of sense. So yeah, you know, I was just checking out all the other spaceships, and like it's crazy. Some of them are selling, like this one is going to be selling for like nearly $100,000, and there's people that have like the top player asset value, like there's people that have spent $325,000 to own assets in this game. That's in this faction. And then my faction, someone spent $736,000 to own assets. So that is just ridiculous. But anyhow, I guess, you know, millionaire and billionaire players have got that's like play money to them. So yeah, anyhow, so, you know, it goes to show if someone is putting that much money in, they believe in this game. So to me, yeah, it makes sense to own a few assets in games such as this. So I'll keep it just to these two games for this video, and I will do another video on crypto security and how not to get scammed, because there are a lot of scammers out there. It's absolutely ridiculous how many different kinds of scams there are going right now, that I'm going to do a separate video just talking about that, and that I'll do that today as well. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and, you know, stay tuned. And if you're interested in learning more about what I do, it's all down below. You can check out all my links. Cheers!